guys, so hold on, try here. Okay, that's good. BRB.
You look at the cabinets, the whole brown. I mean, do we have to replace all the cabinets?
Yeah, if it's bad enough, you gotta replace it.
All the cabinets? No.
If it's bad enough, we gotta open this up and see where it's at.
We have to replace this whole kitchen. I mean, you're looking at $4,000 or $5,000. That is absolutely not going to be in the budget if we buy this house.
Yeah, there's ants everywhere, too. Alright, moving along.
All of a sudden, we're seeing water damage everywhere. This could end up being super expensive.
Sorry. So I'm going to show you something my iPhone shop came out. So these are the empty boxes, and as soon as I walked in, I saw this. Yep, my iPhone shop right there. Isn't it cool? And then my little lady right there. So that's really cool. And I'm gonna try to catch a moving tonight, but elves are elves. They might be tricky. They might not even move. But see what happens. Toodles.